Hey everybody, I'm Betty Davis. Look at the rain accumulation forecast through Friday, and these numbers are astounding. This forecast model showing anywhere from 1.5 to 4+ inches for parts of South Florida. So over the next several days, there will be periods of rain, some of which could be heavy. So make sure you're staying umbrella ready for the rest of the week. Now, as far as what's happening out there, a trough of low pressure is going to linger or hover near or over the Sunshine State, and that's going to keep the weather unsettled into the weekend. So on Thursday, a 70% chance of rain, down to 50% on Friday, and then 60 to 50% for the weekend too. Notice our high temperatures will be suppressed on some days, but on the days where we get just enough sunshine, we could manage 90. So we're going with 88 for the high in Miami on Thursday and 90 on Friday, and so goes the story for the rest of this week. Make it a great evening. Have an umbrella ready to go this evening, as well as there could be some more showers or even downpours moving in, all thanks to that trough of low pressure. Have a great night.